Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and this is Sunday the 21st July 2019, and we are taking a look at the weekly outlook for the dollar yen. And for last week there was a bearish continuation move from the previous week, where this was the close, and after a slight retracement back to the weekly pivot level, it fell for a couple more days before finally retraced back up slightly. So I've added the weekly pivot lines as well as the monthly pivot lines, and weekly pivot is at the 108.23 level, the monthly pivot is at 107.80 area. You can see that it could not break higher above this previous support zone, so now it's a resistance zone. So let's change this color here, and this will now be the new resistance zone, just around the 108 level and above the monthly pivot. Now we will see whether this support holds, because price is just hovering above that. Otherwise it could dip lower to test the weekly S2 level around 107. Last week the dollar weakened further as more talks about the Fed cutting rates and whether they could cut rate by even up to 0.5 basis points. So this dragged the dollar lower until Friday. We managed to find some relief, and even though the US retail sales and the Philly Fed manufacturing index were good and positive, the dollar still weakened because of the rates news. So this week there's only US durable goods on Thursday and advanced GDP on Friday, and we're heading towards the end of the month, so there could be more consolidation, and between these areas centered around the weekly S1 pivot. But let's see whether the dollar can recover back up above the 108 level. So that's going to be a key resistance that it needs to climb back over. Okay, we'll follow up on Tuesday and Thursday this week to see whether there's any clues where the dollar yen may continue for the rest of the week. Okay, that's all, and have a good trading week, and cheers.